We are currently living under the most restricted censorship and surveillance network of all time in human history, with more than 1 billion surveillance cameras installed all over the world, most of which are in totalitarian countries where people's activities can be monitored and controlled. With the use of technology like artificial intelligence, big data, and deep learning to work out who's doing what and when, have already generated huge human rights crises in the society. This surveillance engages to creating oppression sensation with the subject of surveillance and control. It utilizes various tracking technologies and renders these experiences. The blood eyes on canvases automatically follow users that are inside and have been selected. Splitting and fusing of the eyes occurs when the user increases or decreases.